وَمِمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ يُنْفِقُونَ, which means who spend in this way, in His way, in God's way, or in God's cause, from what we have given them. So, what does this mean? It actually means that whatever we have, whatever we have been blessed with, we just don't keep it to ourselves. Yes, we use it for our own selves, for our own needs, but at the same time, we are also caring about other people. So we spend for the underprivileged, for people who are around us, for people who need our help. And there are, of course, so many charities that you can see around yourselves. I mean, these are like numerous. So we have uh, old homes, we have orphanages, we have centers for the blind, we have centers and rehabilitation of people, and similarly there are shelters for homeless people. So these are all charities that work all over, uh, all over the globe, in fact. And I'm sure you're going to find a lot of them in the place that you are living in. So it's like just being mindful of the fact that I am going to do my best to share my blessings. So, I mean, one thing that you can do is that you type uh, charity organizations in your Google search engine and look at the ones that are near you. Maybe you can go periodically. Best is to do it at least once a month and offer your volunteering services. Tell them that I am available, I can do something, I can make myself useful, I can talk to children. I mean, you can always uh, crack jokes with them, have some fun activity if you go to an orphanage, because you see, these are children who don't have any relatives, so to speak, who are always attending to them. So, as their friends, as their caregivers, we can go to these orphanages every now and then. And I mean, of course, as I said, try to make a difference in their lives. And especially also look at people around you who are handicapped in some way or are challenged in some way. So, for example, autistic individuals who might be around you, or boys and girls who are inflicted with Down syndrome, or any other disease which mentally challenges them. If you have them in your class, if you have them in your neighborhood, or in among your acquaintances, be specially kind to them. Be specially, affectionate to them, and make them feel that they are welcome. One more thing that you can also consider is that it's not just human beings that need our affection and love and care. In fact, you see, as individuals, animals also, they need this love and affection. Animals could be, I mean, they could be animals who might be at animal shelters. There could be other animals who might be stray animals and they need to be looked after. They could be pets that you might have. So any individual, I would say, or any animal that comes your way is also, it also deserves your affection, your attention. In particular, if you have pets like dogs and cats in your home, which is perfectly fine to keep, as long as you're able to maintain hygiene and you're able to train them. You can keep dogs and cats and any other animal. But remember that when you keep such animals, you have to look after them. Remember, they cannot speak out their inner feelings. So whenever the time is right for their food, for their drink, or anything, maybe even vaccination. So just as we are very vigilant about human babies and kids who cannot speak for themselves, so our uh, affection and care towards animals also should be the same. Because remember, they are at our disposal, they are at our service, and at the same time, they are dependent on us for their needs.